In nature's intricate web, predator hunting success rates serve as critical regulators of ecological equilibrium. These percentages represent far more than mere statistics. They embody evolved strategies, energy trade-offs, and the delicate checks that sustain ecosystems. From near-perfect hunters to frequent failures, each predator's success rate tells a story of adaptation and balance. The most efficient predators demonstrate nature's precision. Dragonflies achieve a remarkable 95% success rate through aerial mastery. Their 360-degree vision and rapid acceleration making them formidable hunters. Yet, this efficiency is sustainable only because their insect prey reproduce prolifically. Similarly, African wild dogs exemplify how social hunting creates effectiveness, while killer whales employ sophisticated tactics like wave-washing seals off ice floes. These high rates are balanced by environmental factors, prey mobility, habitat size, and alternative food sources preventing overpredation. Mid-range hunters reveal crucial evolutionary trade-offs. Cheetahs sacrifice stamina for explosive speed, while peregrine falcons risk injury in 200-mile-per-hour dives. Their moderate success reflects the energy costs of high-performance hunting. Ambush predators show different adaptations. Lions benefit from group tactics, whereas solitary tigers face greater challenges in dense forests. These variations demonstrate how ecosystems distribute predation pressure across multiple strategies. The most vulnerable predators highlight the system's fragility. Polar bears struggle as melting ice destroys their seal hunting platforms. Meanwhile, spiders maintain balance through productive failure, which is a crucial ecological mechanism where unsuccessful hunts actually benefit the ecosystem. These failed attempts prevent overpredation while allowing prey populations to recover. Together, these examples prove that sustainable predation requires both effectiveness and limitations. Human interference has dangerously disrupted this balance. Overhunting, habitat destruction, and climate change have distorted natural success rates, causing cascading effects through food webs. The lesson is clear. Predator efficiency must be matched by ecosystem resilience. In nature's calculus, hunting success isn't about domination. It's about maintaining the delicate equilibrium that allows all species to thrive. This balance, perfected over millennia, remains our best model for sustainable coexistence with the natural world. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.